So you may want to go ahead and make sure that all of the contents are stored offline so that you can also work offline inside of Thunderbird. So to do that, you can go ahead and download and sync out messages. So to do that, you simply need to go to the file menu and then go to offline. And here you can see that download and sync now is an option. So here you can go around and select out what you want to sync offline. So let's say I want to download all the mail messages. You can also go to select, and then over here you can be specific on which folders you want to go ahead and download offline as well. So all you need to do is press OK and then press OK again right here, download and sync messages, and work offline once the download or sync is completed as well. But I'm just going to keep it as it is right here so that I can simply work offline when there's no internet, and press OK. And then what happens is that the downloading and syncing of messages starts in the background. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.